Let's take a look at this problem. We got x, y plus x squared over x plus 3y is equal to 2. Well, we could dive right in using quotient rule. Be overkill. Let's first get rid of the fraction. We'll multiply both sides by x plus 3y. So we'll multiply it times the fraction, and we'll multiply it times the 2. Now when we do that, these x plus 3y is going to cancel. And we got xy plus x squared is equal to, now multiply that 2 through. 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 3y gives us 6y. And now we can take the derivative of everything where it's sitting. So I'll take the derivative of xy with respect to x. I'll take the derivative of x squared with respect to x. I'll take the derivative of 2x with respect to x. And I'll take the derivative of 6y with respect to x. Now this first one here is a product rule. This will be p and this will be q. So we need to find p prime and q prime. P prime, the derivative of x is 1. Q prime, the derivative of y is 1. But since we're taking a derivative with respect to x and it's a y, we're going to put on a y prime. You always put on a y prime when that's true. So we're going to have p prime q plus p q prime. P prime we said was 1 times q, which is y, plus p, which is x, times q prime, which was y prime. Now the derivative of x squared, that's 2x. The derivative of 2x is 2. The derivative of 6y is 6, but since we're taking the derivative with respect to x, and it's really a y here, we have to add on our y prime. Which gives us y plus x y prime plus 2x is equal to 2 plus 6y prime. Now we want to solve for y prime. So our first step is to get rid of parentheses, don't have any. Second step is to get rid of fractions, don't have any. Third step is to get everything with y prime on one side, everything else on the other side. So I'm going to take this 6y prime, take it to the left side. I'll take the 2x, take it to the right side, and I'll take this y and take it to the right side. So we're going to have x y prime. Oops, didn't mean to have that color. There we go. We're going to have x y prime. When we take the 6y prime to the left side, it becomes a negative 6y prime. Remember, when you take anything across your equals, your sign changes. When I take the 2x over, it becomes a negative 2x. When I take the y over, it becomes a negative y. Now step 4. If y prime is in 2 or more terms, or 2 or more pieces, factor it out. And on pieces, I'm talking about what's separated by pluses and minuses. Well, it's in 2 different pieces here, so I'll factor out a y prime. And that leaves us x minus 6 equals 2 minus 2x minus y. Last step, divide both sides by what's in front of / behind y prime. Well, there's nothing in front of it, but there's an x minus 6 after it. So divide both sides by x minus 6. And when we do that, these x minus 6 is going to cancel. And we got y prime is equal to 2 minus 2x minus y all over x minus 6. And that's our answer.